In front of me is Nokia 5310, and let me show you how to manage keypad sounds on this phone. So first of all, you need to open menu, so just tap on menu icon, then pick settings right here and locate tones. Here go to keypad, so you will easily find it, and now just slide left or right to pick the sound of your keypad. So you can pick the super volume, the middle one, or you can mute it totally, but I would like to apply it. Tap on choose, and from now on you can hear it now. It is active. To mute it, just perform the same action, so just go down with it and choose to mute it. As you can see now, it is not connected with any tones. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.